Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our Snapchat. Once we open up Snapchat, we can then click on our little avatar in the top left hand corner. And then once we click on that, we need to select the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once we have selected that, what we can do now is we can scroll all the way down towards the bottom of the page until we see the option for I need help. So under the support option right there, there's an option for I need help. Click on this. And now we need to select managing my account. Once we select managing my account, click on delete or reactivate my account. And then click on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Once we click on this, as you can see, once you are on this page, the ways to do it on iOS and Android are slightly different. For me, I am on Android, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link for the accounts portal, click on that, and then this will redirect you then over to here. And all you simply need to do now is enter in your password. So let me just do that right now. So once you have entered in your password, you can then click on continue. And then once you click on continue, as you can see, my account has now been deactivated and it will then be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and delete your Snapchat account.